Does daily laziness steal your focus, leaving you adrift in distraction? This persistent inertia can feel overwhelming, but a timeless framework offers a powerful escape route. Throughout history, great minds have sought methods to conquer inertia. One such luminary was Benjamin Franklin, a polymath whose life embodied purpose and profound productivity. Franklin's enduring legacy includes not just statesmanship, but profound insights into personal organization and purposeful living, forming the basis for powerful productivity systems. The core philosophy is aligning daily actions with values, goals, and your future vision. It's more than managing tasks. It's about shaping your life with deliberate purpose. This system thrives on reflection, turning your planner into a daily tool. It guides you to focus on what truly matters most, shaping your life intentionally. To plan effectively, first reflect on your core values and life roles. Ask, what do I hope to become, and what goals truly matter this year? Once values and roles are clear, set meaningful goals. Your Franklin Planner then helps translate these aspirations into daily actions, scheduling your highest priorities first. Benjamin Franklin famously started his day with a powerful question: what good shall I do today? This simple prompt anchored his efforts purposefully. This morning question sets your intention, nudging you towards productive action rather than reactive drifting. It's about guiding your energy toward meaningful contribution. In the evening, he reflected, what good have I done today? This retrospective practice reinforced lessons learned, closing the day with accountability. Expanding on Franklin's wisdom, we can form a powerful 5-question daily framework. This approach combines his core reflections with principles from time management. Drawing from goal setting, prioritization, and time blocking, these added questions refine focus. They help ensure you're not just busy, but productively engaged. This framework helps eliminate laziness by providing daily clarity. It transforms passive days into active pursuit of what matters, building momentum and focus consistently. The framework begins with Franklin's morning query. What good shall I do today? This question establishes your primary intention and aligns your day's purpose. By asking about good, you prompt yourself to consider your values. This ensures your agenda reflects what truly matters, preventing you from drifting aimlessly. This question transforms wishful thinking into actionable intent. It primes you to identify specific deeds that contribute to your larger goals and vision. Next, identify your single most important task. What is my priority today? This focuses your energy on the big rocks, ensuring high-impact effort. Without this step, you might tackle many small tasks and feel busy but accomplish little. Prioritizing ensures you're working on what moves the needle. Knowing your priority combats the inertia of choice. When laziness whispers start anything, you can confidently say, I know exactly what to do first. The third question addresses potential pitfalls. What risk could derail today? Identifying threats proactively helps you guard against common distractions and procrastination triggers. By naming potential obstacles, like digital distractions or self-doubt, you disarm them. This allows you to stay on track, rather than getting blindsided later. As the day concludes, turn to evening reflection. What good have I done today? This question encourages you to acknowledge accomplishments, however small. Reviewing your good deeds reinforces positive behaviors. It trains your brain to recognize progress, fostering motivation and making future efforts feel less daunting. This acknowledgement counteracts the lingering echo of laziness. By focusing on what you did, you shift perspective away from what you didn't do. Finally, ask, what can I learn from today? This prompts reflection on execution and identifies areas for improvement, fueling continuous growth and focus. By identifying what didn't work or could be better, you gain invaluable insights. This self-assessment is key to evolving your strategies and maintaining momentum. This cycle of intent, focus, risk assessment, achievement, and learning creates a powerful habit. It systematically dismantles laziness, building focus day by day. Implement these 5 questions through a simple daily journaling habit. Even 5 minutes each morning and evening can profoundly transform your approach to tasks. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Regularly engaging with these questions, even when you don't feel like it, builds resilience and embeds true focus. By applying this Franklin framework daily, you replace procrastination with progress, distraction with clarity, and inertia with a life of focused, purposeful achievement. Ready to conquer daily laziness? Try Benjamin Franklin's 5-question framework. Start your reflection and see your focused life unfold. Subscribe for more productivity tips.